Here we have a 2018 BMW 530d XDRIVE M Sport Touring. Now this vehicle comes with over £5,000 worth of optional extras, all listed on the website. Just to mention a few though, we do have the 19-inch gloss black alloy wheels, all in excellent condition and with the blue M Sport brakes. We have the comfort package, we also have the bluestone metallic paintwork, LED headlights, we have the gloss black front grills, the full M Performance kit including the gloss black front splitter. Round to the passenger side, you'll find the side skirts along the bottom, colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows, and the privacy glass for the rear passengers. We have the roof rails up top, along with the shark fin antennae and the rear spoiler. Front and rear parking sensors with a visual display and a reversing camera as well. Got the rear diffuser with the dual exit exhaust, a power-operated tailgate as well. Back round to the driver's side, you'll find that this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Taking a quick look at the interior, inside of the back you'll find the full black leather interior, foldable armrests and the fixed ISO points back here. You may have noticed the ambient lighting on the doors. We also have the electric windows and the integrated speakers. Same full leather interior at the front, both front seats being electrically adjustable and also heated. We have the memory function on the driver's side, power folding electric mirrors, electric windows with child lock for the rear, automatic lights, automatic wipers, multifunctional steering wheel. Take a seat inside and you'll find the digital dashboard. We also have the paddle shifters either side of the steering wheel, cruise control and the speed limiter. Put our foot on the brake, press the start button, the vehicle will start up for us. We've got the main infotainment screen in the centre, it's currently shown on the sat-nav. Plenty of features on here you would have seen on the photos. Quickly going through them now, we have the radio stations, we also have the media options with the CD player, Bluetooth audio and the USB. Bluetooth phone connectivity for making phone calls. We also have the different drive modes, so the Eco Pro, Comfort and also Sport. Also changes the look of the dashboard for each drive mode, as you can see as I flick between them. You can also see we are free from any warning lights on the dashboard. We have the intelligent safety system, making it a very safe vehicle to drive. We also have the climate control down here, the heated seats on either side, along with the ice-cold air conditioning. Automatic gearbox, put it into reverse, you find the reversing camera with the parking sensors appear on the screen. Put it back into park just like so. Drive mode buttons just there, we have the electric handbrake and the auto hold button. Parking sensors just there, we also have the leather armrest in the centre. That's all I'm going to show you guys today though. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.